Welcome! If you're tired of missing out on important updates from your favorite Facebook group posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable notifications for a specific group post on Facebook using your PC, following the latest update. This is perfect if you want to stay in the loop on a particular conversation or announcement without getting overwhelmed by notifications from the entire group. Let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, navigate to the group where the post you're interested in is located. You can do this by clicking on Groups in the left-hand menu and selecting the group from your list. Now, scroll through the group feed, or use the search bar within the group to find the exact post you want to follow. This could be an important update, a poll, or a discussion you want to keep tabs on. Once you've found the post, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the post. This is the Options menu. Click on those three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Turn on Notifications for this post. That's it. You'll now receive a notification every time someone comments or interacts with that specific post. This feature is super handy for staying updated without getting notifications from every single post in the group. If you ever want to stop receiving notifications for that post, just repeat these steps and choose Turn off notifications for this post instead. With this quick and easy method, you can customize your Facebook experience and never miss out on the updates that matter most to you. Give it a try and take control of your notifications today. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more useful tips. See you in the next video.